Okay, we are starting a new unit. So I wanted to go over some basics before we started the unit. We're going to go over organ systems and homeostasis. So what is homeostasis? So normally when you're feeling fine, your body is in balance. Your body is maintaining homeostasis. And then when something happens, like you get a fever or you feel sick to your stomach, something happened to your body to get it out of balance. And so your body does what it needs to get it back into balance. And that's homeostasis. An example would be if you're taking a walk outside on a hot day, what happens when you're outside and it's really, really hot? You start to sweat. Your body, when it gets overheated, it is out of balance. So your body does what it needs to try to put it back into balance. So your body sweats. Okay. As this sweat evaporates, it leaves the skin, taking away heat with it. This is why you feel cooler when you sweat. The sweat, as it evaporates, takes some of that body heat with it. And as that heat leaves your skin, you feel cooler. That is your body maintaining homeostasis. If your body didn't sweat and your body kept getting hotter and hotter and hotter, really bad things can happen. You can have a heat stroke, and there's other things that are really, really bad that can happen to your body. And this is kind of the same thing that happens when you get out of the shower and you feel really cold right before you've dried off. It's the same reason why you feel cold when you get out of the shower. The heat from your body is absorbed by the cool water droplets on your skin. As the heat leaves your body, you feel cold. Notice you no longer cold after you've dried off because the heat doesn't have anything cool to go to anymore. So it's kind of the same thing when you're sweating. That's why you sweat when you're hot. Science. Your body is trying to maintain homeostasis. So when you're really hot on a hot day, you will sweat. Okay? That's your body trying to maintain homeostasis. So we're going to be going over different organ systems in the human body. And the organ systems work together to maintain homeostasis. So your whole body can maintain homeostasis. Okay, we're going to be at this level, the organ system level. We're going to be learning about the different organ systems. There's organs working together, and it makes a system. Each organ system has a specific job inside your body to help maintain homeostasis. There are organ systems that their main job is to get rid of waste. There are organ systems where their main job is to absorb energy from the foods you eat. There's other organ systems, their main job is to transport oxygen and nutrients to all your cells in the body. All of the organ systems have a specific job to do. And this is the level of organization that we're going to be focused on for about the next 4 weeks. Organ systems, sometimes we call them body systems. Okay, so we've talked about cells, and then with our cellular levels of organization, common cells work together to make tissues. Different tissues work together to make organs, and then different organs work together to make a system. Organ systems, sometimes called body systems, work together to help your whole body maintain homeostasis. It keeps your body in its happy place. Another word for homeostasis could be balance. Balance. So organs working together for a purpose. So we have all these bones. There's different bones, and they're considered organs. Different tissues working together. Your bones have different tissues. They're made up of different tissues. So organs working together to make a system, skeletal system. Nervous system, we have the brain, the spinal cord, and all the nerves. Circulatory system, sometimes you've heard it called the cardiovascular system from your coaches. We have the hearts and veins and arteries. Okay, and we just have some other, cells and some other things we're going to be learning about here. Organs working together for a purpose. Those are body systems. Humans are made up of many different organ systems. We're going to learn about 10 different organ systems. So we have digestive system, muscular system, integumentary system. We are not going to go over the lymphatic system this year. You'll go over that in your 9th grade year in biology. We are going to go over endocrine system, nervous system, circulatory system, urinary system. It's a part of the excretory system. We'll talk more about that soon. Respiratory system. We will briefly talk about the reproductive system and then skeletal system. Each organ system has a specific job in keeping the body healthy. Some organs work in multiple organ systems. So the heart, for example, the heart is made up of muscle tissues. So it's a part of the muscular system. But the heart is also a part of the circulatory system. Okay. We also have another example here, the pancreas. It's where it's located in your body. The pancreas is a part of the digestive system, but the pancreas is also a part of the endocrine system. And we'll talk more about these systems soon. But just to be aware that there are some organs that work in different systems. So let's review what we're going to be doing. Homeostasis. Another word for homeostasis is balance. Okay? Your body is constantly trying to stay in balance. If you get sick and you get a fever, your body will do what it can to try to get your temperature down. Sometimes you sweat. When you've eaten something bad, your body tries to maintain homeostasis by getting rid of it. Whether, the top end or the bottom end, your body tries to get rid of it to keep itself healthy. Okay? So anytime your body goes out of balance, your body is going to try to do something to get it back in balance. And that is homeostasis. Your body is trying to stay balanced. Okay, so we are going to focus on the organ systems. There's 10 organ systems that we're going to learn about. Plants have organ systems as well, but we've already talked about plants. They only have 2. They have the shoot system and the root system. But for animals, we're going to focus on humans for now. There's going to be 10 body systems that we're going to learn about. Okay, these are briefly some body systems we're going to learn about. We are not going to go over the lymphatic system. We're not going to talk about the immune system, but we will talk about the other systems.